channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about this bad boy here. This is Macalister Solo 18 volt battery cordless strimmer. Obviously you can see we've used it, and we've used it before, so we can give you a good little review about it. Now this video isn't sponsored, it's our own stuff, but if you want to do your garden and you need the tool to do it, let's see how it gets on. Now we haven't got a full charge in the battery, so hopefully we don't run out of battery, but this is the area we're going to do today. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of prep before we start. So we've got a palm tree and all these palm leaves are falling down. Now you don't want to strim with these, because what happens is in the strimmer it catches up around it and it stops the strimmer working. So this is these picked up. The area that we're going to do, we're going to strim this whole section here and see how good the strimmer is. So I hope everyone's doing well. We have a little chat to Luce while I'm doing this.
Yeah, so we're just picking up all the palm leaves. There's Marley, so make sure Marley doesn't get strimmed. Baby! Hello! You're so cute, aren't you? He's a cute boy. He's getting old now, he's 13. People that know Marley from the other videos. Marley! He's a good boy. He doesn't look 13, but he's a good boy. So Justin's going around picking all these palm leaves up.
Yeah, what happens is the strimmer touches it, guys, it gets caught up, wraps around it like that. So you've got to be wary.
So I think we're going to strim down these plants because they look really random just there. Do you know what I mean? And they look messy. And this plant here, as nice as it probably is, it's just flopping down and it just looks rubbish there. So I think we're just going to strim it back and just make it all one level. It's going to be hard to see that go, but there we go. If that was nice bolt upright and looking lovely, then we'd keep it up, but it doesn't, unfortunately. Yeah.
Palm leaves. If you follow me, guys,
so we put it all in the incinerator.
Sometimes a little bit of prep can go a long way, guys. Right?
Marley's gone in the shed, look. Marley! What are you looking for? What is he looking for? A rat, maybe? There's some rats in here. He smelt rats.
Okay, I think that's probably good enough. So there you go, guys. I've prepped the area. I've got all the long bits that are going to catch up and knack up the strimmer. So let's see how we go. Now I can tell you straight away. That the battery on the strimmer is a huge battery, and it lasts. We've got a really big garden, wraparound garden, and it lasts 1.5 to 2 times the strimmer in the whole garden. So the battery is tip top.
Alright, let's trim this area. So this is what we're going to be doing today. Taking this all back. Let me just film into it.
Yeah.
So not that, because that's a nice plant growing in the corner, but we're going to cut around there, make it all tidy. Take those weeds out, because a load of weeds growing in there. And cut all this back, so it's just random, just bulbs coming up here, and it just looks weird. So we're just going to trim it all back.
So let me get the wire straight. So there's the wire, guys. I recommend doing it just so it falls short of the plastic. You don't want it hitting the plastic here. So about there. Now we've got a roller attached to it, which you can use for this. If you wanted to chop some grass there, look, you have the roller keeping you as a guide. You've got an adjustable handle, in and out, and you press this button and then the trigger. You press that, it's a safety, and actually trigger, and the battery goes there. So let's see how we get on with it.
no. Oh no. Death of plants.
Check our wire. You see the wire's gone small there, guys. So you press this little blue button here. Okay, get through it. Steel bloody peg there, look. How the roller works. But if you come right here, darling, you can see me doing the steps and stuff. You can just stand on that bit there, babe.
Careful, Marley.
Right, if you come around here, girl. There you go, guys. Try and get a good shot for you. So we're going to put the roller on there and then try and follow it along and see how it cuts. There we go. So you see that when you hit concrete and stuff like that, it's only plastic, these bits always snap, but we'll give it a go. Let's have a look.
Marley.
Okay, so let's go back to this main area, guys. I'll grab a rake and we'll see which one will come up.
Go closer.
I think you've done a good job there.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we tried having this plant grow, guys, and the other bits come up underneath, but this whole bit of ground we re-turfed. Yeah, we re-turfed and moved in the house for about 4 months, no, 6 months ago. And then all the bulbs that were there before that we couldn't dig out started coming through, and we thought, oh, that'll look nice. So we give it a chance to grow, didn't we? But all it did was grow up.
And then fell over. It fell over, didn't it? It's too heavy. Because it was on a hill. It was on the side of like a little hill bit.
Yeah.
And it just flopped down.
Because there was a brick wall here before, and we knocked it all out. So have a nice bit of...
And we laid turf all down here, didn't we?
yeah.
All this is new turf.
Picked it up from the farm shop.
It's patchy. It's gone a little bit patchy since, but it's fine. It's still covered. Most of it's covered.
See how much grass cut.
Wow, that's good.
Right, so now I've got that grass off, guys. I can see what bits I want to trim up some more. So I'll get a little bit more of that. See, if you're just cutting grass, you hit nothing but grass, this plastic will stay out. But when you start doing concrete and stuff, when you like doing the grass in between the concrete, when it catches, it snaps a little plastic at the end. go guys, that is the Macalister Solo Limited System 18 volt from B&Q. Cost us 50 quid, was it?
50 quid. Let me just show you, show them what.
I think we got it reduced. I think it used to be 72 quid. We got it for 45, and that was bought a couple of months ago.
Let me just show them how it is now. Look, this is what it's done. Look at that. There's a bit there we need to scrape up, but look at that. Look how good, and look at the edges as well. That was all like really thick grass and stuff. It looks pretty good. Just pull some of them weeds out. We'll be sorted. Yeah.
Okay guys, there you go. Little review on the Macalister battery powered 18 volt strimmer. If you want one, I recommend getting one. Always use safety gear guys, and keep looking out for all other videos we do around the house and the garden. Remember, when life gets tough, thanks for watching. When life gets tough, just keep on
keeping on.
Take care and see you in the next one.
Bye.